Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you're most welcome to my channel Chart Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue which comes with an error code or error as display driver failed to start and Windows 10 itself or in Windows 7. So we can fix this issue by following few steps itself on Windows 10. So first of all, I'm gonna show you 2 to 3 methods in this video. You just need to follow it very carefully. Let's begin with the first method. For that you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you just need to type RU and run. On the run you just need to type a command which was like this: devmgmt.msc. This will open the device manager of your PC. Now you can see all the drivers of your device of your PC were showing in this interference. You just need to double click on the display adapters over here. Now you can see the display adapter of my PC is the Express cheapest family Microsoft. So you have to right click on that display adapter, then you have to click on properties. Now you have to click on driver tabs. On the driver tabs you have to update the drivers or you have to roll back the drivers. If you have the latest version of this, you can install that thing also. You just need to be the most important thing is that you have to install that driver which is compatible to your manufacturer motherboard. So you just need to install driver from the Google itself, or if you have compatible disk which comes with your motherboard, you can install from that. So this was the first method. You have to update drivers and you have to roll back drivers if this can be possible. Now you have to restart your PC and see whether your issue has resolved or not. Since this method doesn't help you out, then don't worry, we have another many methods. Just move on to the next method, which was like this. First of all, you have to open a notepad. You have to make a new note text. So you just need to right click on the desktop and click on new. Afterward click on text document. Now you have to copy a command from the description. I have given a command over here. You just need to copy that thing. If you are using a 64-bit computer, then you have to copy this command, and if you are using a 32-bit computer, then you have to copy the second command. So as I have 64-bit PC, so I will copy this command first, and afterward open the text. Once you have to paste over here, now you have to save the file as in save as. Now you can write it down the name as the fix over here. Then you have to type .reg. Now as you have to select the type, you have to save as type as all file. On the encoding you have to click on ANSI, then you have to save this file. Now you can see our registry file has been produced over here. Now you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu you have to type regedit. Then you have to open the registry edit. Now you have to give access by clicking on yes. Once the registry editor would be open, you have to double click on the H key local machines. Now you have to click on system. On the system you have to click on control, current control set. On the current control set you have to click on services. On current control set you have to double click on control. On the control you have to click on the graphics drivers. You have to double click on the graphic drivers. Afterward you have to click on TDR delay. You just need to click on graphics drivers. On the right hand side you can see TDR delay. You just click on this, then afterward you have to delete this. You just have to click yes over here. After deleting, you just need to close all these tabs. Now you have to click on fix. You have to double click on the registry you have made it with the file name fix. You have to double click on this, then you have to click yes. Then you have to give access by clicking on yes. Then again you have to click OK. Then that's it. You need to restart your PC and see your issue has been resolved by this method. So hope this method will definitely work for you. If this method worked for you, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you have any issue regarding this, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 10 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.